This video will change your entire YouTube production process. Imagine creating content faster, smarter, and more creatively than ever before. Take a moment. Think about your current workflow. Are you spending hours editing, scripting, or searching for the right visuals? Now picture an AI tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Introducing InVideo AI, the game changer for creators in 2025. Imagine your ideas turning into videos in minutes. No more creative bottlenecks, just pure, streamlined creation. Picture yourself joining a new wave of creators, working from anywhere on any device with AI as your creative partner. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Let's dive in and see what's possible. Ask yourself, what would you do with more time and creative freedom? This is your chance to find out. Stay tuned. Here's a quick look at what you'll discover in this video. Get ready for a preview of powerful features, real-world examples, and the secrets to leveling up your channel. Let's get started. The future of content creation begins now. InVideo AI offers powerful features like script-to-video, voice cloning, stock media integration, auto-editing, and flexible export options. Imagine having these tools at your fingertips. How would you use them to transform your channel? Think about your next big idea as you watch. Watch as typed text transforms into dynamic video elements. If you could turn your ideas into videos this easily, what would you create? Picture your own content coming to life. Share your thoughts in the comments. Voice cloning lets you personalize your videos without ever recording a word. How could a custom voice elevate your message? Imagine your unique style. What would you say first? Instantly access a massive library of stock clips and let AI pick the best visuals for your story. What scenes would you bring to life with just a click? Imagine the possibilities for your next project. Auto-editing means your timeline is built for you. Cuts, transitions, and pacing handled in seconds. How much time could you save? Picture your workflow streamlined and stress-free. Export in any format you need, with quality settings tailored to your platform. What would you publish first? Think about the reach your videos could have. InVideo AI supports faceless formats, listicles, explainers, motivational content, and product reviews. Which style fits your channel best? Let us know in the comments. See how easy it is to create listicle-style videos with built-in graphics and number animations. What topics would you break down for your audience? InVideo AI makes learning simple by turning complex topics into clear visual explanations. Animated diagrams and graphics help you master new skills fast. How could these visuals boost your productivity? Get inspired by motivational visuals and uplifting quotes. What message would you share with your viewers if you had these tools? Showcase your products with review overlays and comparison graphics. How would you highlight your favorite gear or services? With all these features, what will you create next? Drop your ideas in the comments and let's inspire each other. Think about how much time you spend editing videos. What if you could cut that in half? Imagine the impact on your creative process. Now picture your workflow with rapid AI-powered video creation. How would you use the extra time? Let us know in the comments below. Consider the costs. Traditional production versus AI-assisted. Which one fits your goals and budget better? Imagine scaling your content. One video becomes many, all with less effort. How would this change your channel or business? Let's compare. Do you prefer the hands-on approach, or would you embrace AI to streamline your workflow? Think about your current process: scripting, filming, editing. Which step takes you the longest? Share your biggest challenge in the comments. With InVideo AI, you can automate script-to-video, voice cloning, and exporting. Which feature would save you the most time? See the difference, side by side. Where do you see the biggest opportunity for improvement in your workflow? Whether you're a YouTuber, educator, marketer, or digital nomad, how could these tools help you create more, faster? Imagine your content reaching more viewers with less effort. What would you do with that extra reach? Picture using these tools in an educational setting. How could they transform your teaching or learning experience? For marketers, think about the impact on your campaigns and engagement. What would you try first? If you work remotely or travel, how could AI-powered video creation fit into your lifestyle? Imagine joining a community of creators who are succeeding with AI tools. What would you want to achieve? Visualize your growth, more videos, more reach, more impact. What's your next big goal? With AI, you can boost your productivity and free up time for creativity. How would you use that extra time? Ready to see real-world examples? Let's dive into how creators like you are using these tools every day. Let's explore how different creators are using InVideo AI. As you watch, think about which example fits you best. Are you like the faceless YouTuber, publishing daily videos and growing your channel with ease? Imagine seeing your subscriber count and engagement soar, thanks to automated content creation and smart analytics. Or maybe you're a coach, building online courses and sharing knowledge with students around the world. With InVideo AI, you can create professional lessons, track student progress, and deliver engaging content effortlessly. Or perhaps you're a freelancer, offering video services to clients and managing multiple projects at once. InVideo AI helps you streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and impress clients with fast turnarounds. Or maybe you're a traveler, documenting your adventures without ever stepping in front of the camera. Create stunning travel videos, add location callouts, and share your journey with the world. No filming yourself required. Each creator finds their own unique way to use InVideo AI. Which one are you? Let us know in the comments. Are you a YouTuber, a coach, a freelancer, or a traveler? Or do you have a different vision for how you'd use InVideo AI? Imagine yourself using these tools to bring your ideas to life. The possibilities are endless. No matter your background, InVideo AI empowers you to create, share, and inspire your way. So, which creator do you relate to most? Drop your answer below and join the conversation. Let's make this hands-on. Pause the video now and try writing your own prompt for a video idea. What message do you want to share? Jot it down, then hit play when you're ready. Now look at your prompt. What visuals would best bring your idea to life? Browse through the gallery and pick images or clips that match your message. If you're unsure, try searching for keywords from your script. As you select, pay attention to quality badges and selection criteria. The right visuals can make your story stand out. Pause again if you want to try picking a few options now. Next, edit your video. Trim clips, adjust colors, and tweak pacing for a polished result. Don't be afraid to experiment. Refining your edit is where the magic happens. Try making a small change and see how it feels. Watch out for common mistakes like using overly generic scripts or mismatched visuals. Have you made these before? Let us know in the comments. Your experience can help others. Here's a quick comparison. Specific scripts versus generic ones. Notice how much more engaging the specific example is. Which style do you usually use? And here's the difference between mismatched and well-matched footage. Take a moment to review your own edits. Do your visuals truly support your story? For even better results, pair InVideo with tools like ChatGPT for script ideas, Canva for graphics, and vidIQ for optimization. What tools do you use? Share your favorites below. Try generating and optimizing scripts with chat interfaces. Experiment with different prompts and see how your results change. Use design tools to create eye-catching thumbnails and graphics that make your video stand out. Track your performance with analytics and SEO tools to keep improving with every upload. Think of your workflow as a pipeline, each tool and step working together from idea to upload. Combine these best practices and tools for the best results. And don't forget, share your own tips and experiences in the comments to help others grow. Every tool has its limits, and InVideo AI is no exception. What limitations would matter most to you? Let us know in the comments below. For example, customization options are still growing and voice tones can sometimes sound less natural than a real person. These are things to keep in mind as you explore. You might notice that some voice options have limited expressiveness, which can affect the overall feel of your videos. And when it comes to monetization, platforms like YouTube may have specific requirements that automated content needs to meet. It's important to stay updated on these policies. The good news? There are workarounds, and the platform is improving all the time. Be realistic about what AI can do today, and don't hesitate to share your honest thoughts or questions below. Your feedback helps shape the future of these tools. InVideo AI empowers creators in 2025 to produce more, stress less, and unleash their creativity like never before. With powerful features, intuitive design, and endless possibilities, it's the tool that helps you stand out and succeed in the creator economy. Imagine the future, where your ideas become videos in minutes and your channel grows with every upload. The possibilities are limitless. Now, how will you use InVideo AI to transform your channel? Comment below, subscribe, and let's grow together. Subscribe for more AI-powered creator tips, and join our community of innovators. Like this video if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments if there's a topic you want covered next. I read every comment and reply as quickly as I can. Tap like, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Your feedback helps us all grow. Join the creator community. Connect, support, and collaborate with fellow innovators using InVideo AI. Thank you for watching.